What's good, YouTube? We back with another video. If you're new, like, comment, sub to the channel, all that good stuff, because I promise you, you're going to leave here learning something, man. I promise you. One thing I do want to let y'all know, educational purposes only. Educational purposes only. I know they watching. If you're working with a CPN, if you have a CPN, whatever's talked about credit-wise, you can apply that to your CPN. Because at the end of the day, we talking about credit. At the end of the day, we just talking about credit. So other than that, one thing I also want to let y'all know, the reason why I'm making this video for y'all is because I can sit here and make videos all day and tell y'all what to apply with and tell y'all go here, go there, do this, do that. But at the end of the day, I want y'all to think for yourselves, because y'all got to think for yourselves. Y'all got to be the ones who want to make that decision, not me, just because you heard it from me or something. All I can do is give you a clue and you put the action to it. So today's video, I want to let y'all know what y'all need exactly reported on your credit report. So this is what you need. This is what lenders is looking at. So right now today we're gonna look at a will. I'm pretty sure y'all already seen this before. Y'all familiar with it. But this is for those who don't really know what the hell we talking about. But this is also for you too, because you still need to know what the hell needs to be reported on your account, so that when y'all apply for loans or try to get funding for whatever y'all need, y'all for sure get approved. It's always good to have a score. Keep a good score. It's good to have a score, but also you want to have a strong profile. You need a strong profile. You can't have a good score and also have a whole bunch of negative closed accounts and shit. So before you even start this journey, before you even start to build your credit, dispute any negative accounts, anything that's holding you back. And if you need help with that, DM me. We can figure something out, and we can go from there. Other than that, so as y'all can see right here, y'all can see a score wheel. It's the FICO score, the score lenders use. So this is what lenders are looking at. 35% is going to be payment history. Amount of debt is going to be 30%. Length of credit history is 15. New credit is 10, and credit mix is 10. So 20% is just going to be credit mix and new credit. So 35% payment history, that's already a big chunk of your score. That's why authorized users is a big boost. But it's a certain time when you're actually supposed to get an authorized user, and we'll get into a whole nother video on when to use it and where to get one. So 35% is payment history. So y'all need good payment history. So this is a credit card. Y'all don't want to close credit cards and nothing like that. Your any mortgages, auto loans, nothing like that. Don't pay them off early. Don't do none of that. If it's a cool amount, 2 to 3 years, hold that, pay that off. Don't close no credit cards, and you can keep those open. Pay that off, and you'll be your own AU. You don't even need to go get an AU, none of that. You'll be your own AU. But if you don't have good credit history, you're trying to make a play in like 2-3 months, that's why you get an AU, so you can get payment history. But that's 35% of your score. So payment history is important. Don't close accounts. Keep those open. 30% is amount of debt. So this is how much debt you're going to be in. It's not bad to be in debt. You can always utilize debt. So this is how much debt you're going to be in. So it's any auto loans, mortgages, house loans, like all that. Credit cards, this is how much debt you're going to be in. So say I got 5 credit cards. Each of them have $5K on them. That's $25,000. So $25,000 is how much you're in debt. But that's minus 35%, not 35%. That's minus 30% utilization. Meaning when this goes to report, when that reports to the credit bureaus, it has to be under 30%. If it's over 30, you're just gonna look desperate for credit, like you live off credit. So when you go to apply for anything else, or they're basically just gonna drop your score. It's not gonna look good. It's not gonna look nice. So y'all want to keep that under 30. But if you're building credit, keep it under 10. Keep it under 10. The highest FICO score achievers use under 7. But I know you guys are just starting or using your credit to do something with it, so make sure it's reporting under 30%. If you're building credit, report it under 10%. So when that closing statement comes, make sure you pay off what you need to pay off. So it's reporting 30%. And we'll get into that whole nother video, because a lot of people don't know when to pay off their credit card, so they can have on-time payment history and boost their credit score. So we'll get into another video. 15% is length of credit history. So this is going to be how long you had an account open. A mortgage loan, auto loan. It don't matter what it is. It's the longest account you have open. So for example, my self account, I'm going to keep that open until it's closed. I'm gonna keep that open. It's like 2-3 years or something, $25 a month. Cool. I'm gonna keep that open until it's closed. So then, boom, I have a long account open, and it was fully paid off and closed. So don't close accounts early. Don't pay them off early. At least have one account. That's why I made videos on those credit bureaus, so that you guys can open more credit builder accounts and installment loans. But at least have one loan that you plan on keeping for the long term. You know, you gotta think for the future. At least have one. 10% is gonna be new credit, and 10% is gonna be credit mix. So credit mix is gonna be stuff like credit cards, charge-off cards, installment loans, and stuff like that. So if you don't know what a charge-off card is, charge-off card has no limit to it, but you have to pay that next month. But it's hard to get. You have to have good credit. A regular credit card, you have closing, opening statement, wait till that closing statement comes, pay it on that due date. Boom. Bye. That's simple. So you basically have like 2 months. And they also give you limited pay. So they give you an average, say you spend $100 on your credit card, they will give you the minimum amount. Like you can pay $25 this month, $25 next month, $25. You get me? So that's the benefits of a credit card. But the other, a charge-off card is no limit. You can spend as much as you want, but you have to pay off that next month. But at the end of the day, these are both helping you score, payment history, all that. Don't close these accounts. Keep them open so you can have good payment history. 10% is new credit. You only need 12 revolving credit cards, meaning 12 credit cards. 7 need to be big bank credit cards. So this is the American Express, this is the Chase, this is the the big bank credit cards. And then 5 can be store cards. So it can be your Target, your Walmart, Amazon, whatever. Just get those credit cards, and you need 12 reporting on your account. You need 12, and don't close them. Make sure you're using all of them. Try to use all of them, but make sure to keep it under 30% utilization. But if you have 12 cards, like your utilization is going to be lower. So other than that, that's basically it. That's the whole will. This is what lenders are looking at. This is what they're looking at. They're looking at your score too, but they also looking at the details, the little stuff. And also for your credit mix, you at least want 5 installment accounts reporting on your credit report. So that's why I show y'all these credit unions, so that y'all can apply for these credit builder loans and stuff like that, or save secure loans, so that y'all can have this reporting on your account, and y'all can pay it off early. Whatever y'all, there's different ways to manipulate it. You just gotta know what y'all want to do. So y'all can pay it off early. Y'all can keep it for the longest term if you want. You can even make up your own monthly terms and all that. So that's why y'all want to get a credit builder loan, a save secure loan or something. Open those up. Like I said, don't have more than 10 credit unions, but at least try to have 5 credit unions. That's already 5 installment loans right there. That's why I said 5 credit unions. So I'll be doing more videos on credit unions and stuff like that. But I made this video so y'all can have a thought for yourself. So y'all know what y'all need. Y'all can go. It's real simple. And y'all can go to where y'all need to go to get what y'all need. But the only way you can start this process, the only way, is if you have a clean credit report. So if you have any negative items, any negative closed accounts or anything like that, it's hurting your score, and it's hurting your report. So if you need those removed or anything, DM me. We can discuss what's on your profile and dispute and get those removed, because you need a clean profile in order for you to start this process. For example, me, before I even got into credit, I have a medical bill, and it's still on my account as we speak. That's why I'm gonna go dispute it when I get a chance at Experian with this dispute letter, and get that off my report, because it's hurting my score. So as y'all can see, my score, well, not my score, but my report, I got a collection medical bill account. It's a medical bill, and this is back like 2 years ago, before I even got into credit, and all these late payments, all those late payments, and they already closed the account, so it's just sitting there, it's closed and everything. So I'm gonna dispute this, because they didn't even provide me my rights, and I'm pretty sure they didn't give you your rights for whatever that's on your profile. So if you need that disputed, DM me, we can get that disputed. So I'm waiting to get that letter in, and right now, as you can see, I've been working on my score, but I can already be 50 to 100 points higher. So right now I'm at 652 with TransUnion and Experian. So once I dispute that, I'm gonna be at 752 or for sure over 720. So if you have any negative accounts, it's hurting your credit score right now. You have to go get those off. Get those off. Get those disputed. If you need help, you need the work done for you, I can help you. We can talk about what's on your credit report and get that disputed, get that off. But other than that, make sure to like, comment, sub to the channel, because there's more content gonna be dropped, more videos. I promise you. Till the next video, peace.